it's been, kind of one of those cloudy, kind of sticky days, but it sounds. Oops, sorry.
Oh, there we go. Microphone's coming back on.
You don't want to have the microphone on when I take a quick bathroom break during the commercials. Hey, kind of sticky out there. It sounds like that's kind of what we're in for the next couple of days.
Yes, and right now, some places it's pouring.
Yeah.
Other places it's totally dry, and that's kind of the theme of how this evening is going to be. Take a look at this live webcam. This is from Keyser Lake in Lovell. It is pouring rain there, and it has been now for about an hour. On the radar picture, it really does depend on where you are. I don't think there will be much rain at all around Penobscot Bay, down east. Maybe a shower makes it down to the southern Maine coast, but this is primarily an interior event that's happening right now. Very slow moving thunderstorms in the western foothills right now. You can see one that's headed down toward Long Lake, another line here back around Stoneham, where we've already had about 2.5 inches of rain in parts of interior Oxford County as estimated by the radar. There is a flood advisory for this area, which is just kind of a heads up. There is not a flash flood warning, but if it continues to rain for another hour, an hour and a half, we could start to see some minor flooding of low-lying, poor drainage areas. This is just very slowly pushing off to the southeast. So next up would be Otisfield, Naples, and we'll see it may take a full hour to even get down toward Gray and New Gloucester. It's just very, very slow moving, which is why in the places that have seen these repeated downpours, there could be a little minor flooding. Radar is clear though, although we've got some fog that's just hanging off the down east coast. And then the severe thunderstorm that moved through Aroostook County has weakened considerably, just some rain up there right now. 75 in Portland with the wind coming in off the water, 71 in Bangor, and it's muggy everywhere. Dew points in the 60s to low 70s out there right now. This front isn't really going to clear through and drop the humidity. If anything, tomorrow it's going to be hotter and just as humid out there. So again, over the next hour or two, we'll watch those storms in the western foothills. They try to make it down to the coast, but I don't think there'll be much heavy rain on the coast tonight. Tomorrow morning, we'll start with fog, some low clouds, especially around Penobscot Bay and down east, but it turns sunny and a hot day tomorrow. It's going to be hotter than it was today. Highs around 90 degrees inland, 80s along the coastline. Looks like a pretty good beach day tomorrow. Again, maybe a little cloud cover and fog early on, but then hazy, warm, and humid with temperatures along the coastline up into the 80s. Wednesday, we again start with some fog down east. Otherwise, it's hazy, hot, and humid. 80s to low 90s again on Wednesday. The next front moves in on Thursday, and Thursday looks very humid, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms, especially Thursday afternoon. So the humidity is sticking with us until that front goes through on Friday, and then turns much more comfortable, especially for Saturday. Seas tomorrow 1 to 3 feet with a southwest wind 5 to 10 knots out on the water. So no storms tomorrow or Wednesday, but it will be hazy, hot, and humid. High temperatures in the low 90s inland, 80s along the coastline. Next chance for rain is on Thursday. I think we'll have a lot of clouds on Thursday. There could even be some showers in the morning, and then a better chance for a few thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. Front goes through on Friday, and then Saturday looks great. Sunny, less humid, highs around 80. And there could be some showers late on Sunday, but that depends on the timing of the next system. So Chris, we'll keep watching those storms out in the western foothills. The issue is they're just going over the same towns again and again. Okay. So if that keeps up for another hour and a half, there could be some localized flooding.
Okay, good thing to keep an eye on over the next couple of hours. Thanks, Ryan.
Yep.